Hello students, welcome back to our EVS class. This is the third part of the 12th chapter, Our Neighborhood. In this session, we are going to discuss about exercise part of this chapter. First of all, let us discuss about some new words which comes in this chapter. Our first word is amenities. Amenities means facilities provided in a place. Next word is biodegradable. Biodegradable means a substance that changes into another natural state when it decomposes and does not harm the environment. Our next word is disposal. Disposal means getting rid of something. Next word is landmarks. Landmarks means easily recognizable places. Our next word is non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable means a substance that does not change into another natural state when it decomposes and harms the environment. Next, let us discuss about question answers part of this chapter. Our first question is, what is the best method for reducing the quantity of waste products? What is the question? Our question is, what is the best method for reducing the quantity of waste products? Answer is, recycling is the best method for reducing the quantity of waste products. So what is the answer, children? Recycling is the best method for reducing the quantity of waste products. Second question is, why should the usage of plastic products be minimized? What is the question? Why should the usage of plastic products be minimized? Answer is, the usage of plastic products should be minimized as these are non-biodegradable. What is the answer? The usage of plastic products should be minimized as these are non-biodegradable. Third question is, what is a community? Answer is, a group of people living together in a particular area is called a community. What is community? A group of people living together in a particular area is called a community. Our next question is, what places do these colors represent on a map? Blue, green, brown. Answer is, blue is used to show water bodies such as rivers, oceans, and lakes. Green represents the plains. And brown is used to show hills and mountains. Our next question is, give a few examples of recycling. Answer is, there are many things that can be recycled like newspapers, plastic cans, bottles, toys, etc. Next, let us discuss about fill in the blanks of this chapter. Our first question is, dash is the area in which we live. Answer is, neighborhood is the area in which we live. Our next question is, a dash is used to show distances on a map. Answer is, a scale is used to show distances on a map. Our third question is, different dash are used to show the different places on the earth. Answer is, different colors are used to show the different places on the earth. Next question is, maps use many signs and dash. Answer is, maps use many signs and symbols. Next question is, things which belong to the people living in an area are called dash. Answer is, things which belong to the people living in an area are called public property. Next we have some choose the correct option. Our first question is, the dash are responsible for keeping our neighborhood clean. Our options are municipal authorities, highway authorities, police authorities, and medical department. And our answer is municipal authorities. Our next question is, old newspapers can be reused to produce dash. Options are bottles, utensils, recycled paper, and metal. Answer is recycled paper. Our next question is, eco-friendly products are dash. Our options are non-biodegradable, harmful, poisonous, biodegradable. Our answer is biodegradable. Our last question is, a dash is a place that we can easily recognize. Our options are sea, plain, landmark, playground. Our answer is landmark. So children, please write down the question answers part in your notebook and please learn them. Thank you and have a nice day.